Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to trade on TOFRO exchange using MTS signals. So if you're new to this platform, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, as I will be guiding you guys on how to trade on TOFRO exchange using the MTS signal. Okay, so guys, TOFRO and MTS are two entities. Okay, TOFRO is a trading platform that we trade on, and MTS is another entity that gives us the signal to trade on the TOFRO. Okay, so we get a signal from Professor Harris on a Telegram group, and let's go to the Telegram so that I guide you guys on how to trade perfectly when he gives us the signal. Okay, so currently Professor Harris is teaching. Okay, you can see he is teaching us, guiding us on how to make money from MTS. Okay, so we just have to wait for him to post the signals. Okay, then I guide you on how you can trade using the signals he provides. Okay, so now I'll just open my TOFRO exchange to wait for the signal. Okay, so this is the TOFRO exchange. Okay, if you're new to this platform, I will leave the link in this video description for you guys to sign up and start making some money. Okay, so let me log into the account. Okay, so you can see currently I have 2000 USDT in my account, and we trade on the futures. Okay, so before Harris will give the signal, let me show you guys a little bit about TOFRO. Okay, so this is a trading platform, a crypto trading platform, and we trade the futures. Okay, so with this, Harris will give us the signal. Okay, you can see Harris said we should open our trading account, our TOFRO trading account, and trade with 1%. Okay, so I have already opened my trading platform, the TOFRO, and I'll be trading the 1% as stated here. Okay, so what I have to do now is to wait for Professor Harris to drop the signal. Okay, so as I said, we trade on the futures. Okay, we trade these futures and we make a lot of money from trading futures. Okay, and when Professor Harris gives us the signal, we will input all the signals here and we will trade. Okay, so now let me go to the Telegram page to wait for Professor Harris. Yes, you can see we are still waiting for Professor Harris here. Please be prepared. Open your TOFRO trading account and start trading with 1% of the account balance. Okay, to avoid violating trading rules. Okay, so now let's wait for Professor Harris to drop the signal. So as you can see, the signal has been posted. Okay, so this is the first stage, and the transaction type is BTC USDT. The time of purchase is this. Okay, so this is the signal we will trade on. Okay, so let me first go to my TOFRO and click on the futures. Okay, so I'll click on futures, then I will scroll down. Okay, so this is a London time. Okay, I am in Ghana, so London is leading Ghana 1 hour. Okay, so I'll just check the minute and trade along with it. Okay, currently you can see it's 11:28 a.m. here. Okay, but in London it's 12:28. Okay, so this is the signal, and you need to trade using your country time. Okay, so I'll first go to the platform. Okay, this is the TOFRO, and I'll make sure it's on BTC USDT. Okay, so you can see the transaction type is BTC USDT, and the purchase ratio is 60 seconds. Okay, so I need to make sure the purchase ratio is 60 seconds, and as they said, we should trade with 1%. Okay, to avoid violating. Okay, so I need to make sure this is on 1%. Okay, so as you can see, this is on 1%, and what you have to do now is to watch the time. This is 12:34 to 35. Okay, since I'm in Ghana and the time is in UK time, I'll just watch the minutes. So this is 34:35. So I'll go to the platform and choose I'll click on this to choose the 34:35. So I'll click on this 34:35. Okay, so you need to make sure you select the correct time. Okay, so this is 34:35 and call. Okay, so you need to make sure you select the correct time, 34:35, then you choose the call. Okay, then you confirm, and you can see it's successfully. Okay, so when you see put in the signal, you just choose the put. When you see call in the signal, you just choose the call. So this is call. Okay, so I just choose call. So this is the history. Let's cross check and see if everything is correct. Okay, so this is BTC USDT, and this is 12.34.35, but in Ghana it's 11.34.35. So let me check. Yes, I chose the correct time, 11.34.35, and I choose the call. Okay, I chose the call because this is the signal we need to follow. Okay, so I just have to wait for this time remaining to buy. Okay, this is like we are placing a limit trade. Okay, so we will place the trade, and when the time hits, then it automatically plays the trade. Okay, so now let's wait for it to place the trade. You can see I'm having 2010.42 USDT. Okay, so when the trade is done, I will show you how much I earn. Okay, so let's go to the trade again. You need to make sure there is no mistake. Okay, and if there is a mistake, you need to cancel it immediately. Then click on this asset, then click on the futures again, then start the process again. Okay, and you need to be fast. So we are done trading, and let me check my balance. Okay, so at first I was having 2010. Okay, you can see I was having 2010 as before, and currently I've earned additional 15.52 USDT. Okay, that is today's earning. That is just 0.766% of my total balance. Okay, and my balance has just increased to 2025 USDT. Okay, so if this video help you or guide you on how you can trade perfectly without making any mistake, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.